Ladies and gentlemen, this is our spring in South Carolina, and this is the first garage sale I just went to. We don't really have anything yet, but let's see. This was a dessert on top of the cake. This was, oh my goodness, look at that. This was only $3. They were only once. I noticed that they are selling $80 to $100, but they are brand spanking new. So anybody interested, jump in description for the item. This is a cleaning brush. It's brand new in the box. So this was part of the bundle. Stay tuned to tell you exactly how much I pay for this box and what is inside. Next thing is a Watson shoes. It's a man large shoes. I know the large shoes are very rare. It has two chains on the back. They're probably aluminum, but it looks like a gold. You can see it's all nice and clean. This thing hasn't been weared at all. You use it only once, so probably can clean all this. It will be white with the Clorox, but the shoes are nearly brand new. So this was $2. The next item, I just threw them inside the package. I'm assuming this is a covers for. There was more, but I just grabbed two for my wife because she do lots of arts. They're covered for the tables. These two, it was just $3, probably from dollar store. It's just like free cleaning. She got this one for $1, so everything went to $1. Polaroid. It used to be a great price for those. I don't know. This is just something. I just grab it and put it in. I haven't even seen this cable. It says $3, but she just threw this in a box. This bag, it looks like Stone Mountain. It looks like a made out of leather, but it's a solid, and it's like brand new. These three pairs of shoes that I have no idea. They're very thin model, very strong. This is a fox leather, and it's a soft inside. I don't know what they're gonna sell for. That was part of the box. Unfortunately, the sale was very small. I grabbed this one. This is a rubber boots. They're new, size 8, $18.99. But I think this is a good seller because they're not used, and I don't think so you can buy this kind of right now. I just grabbed this one as miniature brushes for my wife, just as a file. This is a boxes for the gifts, free of charge. I'm gonna make the hearts from this. Have to make the shape of hearts. It's stainless steel for some purposes for the baking. I've got this nice creature animated, and it's new. And I got this pair of shoes, size 42. They're black. So all this 4, 5, 6 pairs of shoes, and all of that, everything's for $10. It's a nice skis. Thanks so much for watching, and like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. What would you get, and how much would you pay for this lot?